Welcome to our channel. Today, we're exploring timeless spring decor ideas with a vintage touch. These suggestions will help you infuse your home with classic charm and the fresh spirit of spring. Let's dive in. Vintage floral tablecloths. Drape your dining table with a vintage floral tablecloth to introduce nostalgic patterns and colors. Antique vases with fresh blooms. Place fresh spring flowers like tulips or daffodils in antique vases for a blend of natural beauty and vintage elegance. Repurposed wooden crates. Use old wooden crates as rustic shelves or storage solutions, adding both functionality and character to your space. Retro botanical prints. Hang vintage botanical illustrations to bring a touch of nature and history to your walls. Classic ironstone pitchers. Display white ironstone pitchers filled with greenery or flowers for a simple yet timeless look. Wicker baskets. Incorporate wicker baskets for storage or as decorative pieces, adding texture and a country feel. Vintage mirrors. Hang an antique mirror to reflect light and create the illusion of more space while adding vintage charm. Old-fashioned lanterns. Use vintage lanterns as decorative accents or candle holders to evoke a rustic ambience. Embroidered linens. Incorporate embroidered linens, such as napkins or doilies, to add delicate detail and a personal touch. Mason jar arrangements. Utilize mason jars as vases or candle holders for a simple, vintage-inspired decoration. Antique clocks. Display a vintage clock on your mantel or shelf to combine functionality with classic style. Pressed flower art. Create framed pressed flower displays to preserve the beauty of spring blooms in a vintage fashion. Chintz cushions. Add chintz pattern cushions to your seating areas for a touch of floral elegance reminiscent of past eras. Rustic window frames. Repurpose old window frames as wall decor to introduce architectural interest and a hint of nostalgia. Vintage bird cages. Use decorative bird cages as unique planters or centerpieces, adding whimsy and vintage flair to your decor. We hope these ideas inspire you to bring a vintage touch to your spring decor. Remember, incorporating timeless pieces can create a warm and inviting atmosphere in your home. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more decorating tips. Happy decorating!